I decided to become a chef in the Air Force because kitchen is my comfort zone, and I love cooking for my family and friends, and I love to see the plate that I serve to them is empty, and it's always been a passion to serve people. My name is Cindy and I'm a chef in the Air Force.
So at TAFE, the students, when they come in, they learn their basic knife skills. So they start with that and they progress further along, and they do vegetables, eggs, fruit, proteins, all the way to cakes, pastries and desserts.
I choose to become a chef in the Air Force because I know that Air Force will give me limitless opportunities, and I got to travel as well with my career.
The military, the students are always well disciplined. They come on time, they know exactly what's expected of them, and they basically function according to what they're supposed to do. So they have a plan that they follow.
Being a chef has always been a dream.